Go to www.voicethread.com and create an account if you do not already have one. I've already made an account, so I have logged in. I'm clicking create. Click the sign to upload media and begin creating your project. I'm going to call this model project. After you have uploaded your images, you have the option to add audio comments, visual comments, or text comments. Click comment to see the aforementioned possibilities. Complete the process for all of your uploaded files. I'll leave a comment now just so you can see what this might look like. Comment. I'm leaving a comment. Comment. I'm leaving a comment. You can also record as many times as you want, but I'm going to go ahead and save this. And when you are satisfied, go to the upper left-hand corner of the website to publish your VoiceThread by clicking share. You can share a link, give access only to certain people, or upload your VoiceThread to social media. If you wish to create more VoiceThread, if you wish to create more VoiceThreads in the future, click create once you're back on the home page. And you will see the same screen all over again. I'd like to point out to you that you must have a paid account to create groups. I don't have a paid account, so you can see that I cannot create any groups. I hope you found this brief tutorial helpful.